Hello, what's your name?
My name is Ken.
Ken, what job does he do?
He's a chef.
What does he wear?
He's wear
He wears.
He wears a white blouse,
No, this is not a white blouse.
a white hat, a white blouse,
No, that's the doctor. This one.
a white
Shirt.
shirt,
A pair. A pair.
a pair white pants,
Pants. Yes, and
and a black shoes.
we don't say a black shoes because shoes are plural. A pair.
Black shoes.
Pair of black shoes. What job do you want to do in the future, and why?
I want an artist.
I want to become.
I want to become an artist because I want to draw
Pictures.
picture. I want to work at the museum.
Great. But we say an artist, not an artist. Okay. What is he doing?
He's an ambulance driver.
But what is he doing?
He's
Driving.
He's driving an ambulance.
Not an ambulance. An ambulance.
An ambulance.
What is she doing?
She
Conducting.
an
Experiment.
experiment.
That's right. Look at the pictures and tell a short story.
A story about two buildings.
Now, there are two
Two
siblings.
Siblings. They are boy and girls. His name is Mon and her name is Linda.
All right.
They
Who's picking them up at school?
Mon picks